Assalamu alaikum to all the students and all the parents. We made this video to help you all to attempt online exam through HIS group of school app. So I request all the students, especially from grade 6 to grade 10, to watch this video very carefully. Each and every step is very important. Let us begin with the first step. Open your class. Go to online exam. Here you are able to see online exam. Click on the online exam. Click here. This will take you to Chrome. Chrome will come. Click on Chrome. Once you click on Chrome, you will get all your exam details. Exam name is FA1. Exam start date and end date 8 September 1:45 PM to 8 September 12 o'clock night. So you have this much of time to attend your exam, and this is a self-paced exam. Exam type. Let us click on exam type. There are two types of exams here. Self-paced, that means students can attempt exam without any time constraints. Students can complete the exam in his or her own pace. That means between the allotted date, students can attempt their exam. Sometimes teacher can give you 2 days time, sometimes teacher can give you 3 days time. So between these dates, you can attempt your exam at any time. It is not time based. Second exam is time based, wherein students will be given time limit to write their exam. Within 5 minutes, within 10 minutes, within 15 minutes, you need to complete your exam. Otherwise, your exam will get expired. So these are two types of exams, self-paced and time-based. Let us check exam details. Click on self-paced, you will get the exam details. Exam subject name is EVS. Number of questions by teacher is 4. Minimum marks I have to score is 5. Maximum marks is 7. That means exam paper is of 7 marks. If I get 5 marks also, I will be passed. Exam duration is, there is no time limit. I said between the allotted date, I can attempt this exam at any time. Okay, so this is the detail. Now action. See here, action is written. Below action, start exam is there. We have to click on start exam. Once you click to the start exam, this will take you to question bank. So this is the first question given to me by my teacher. Below, if you see here, choose a question 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means I am having 4 questions. I can choose any question and I can attempt, and I can again choose any question I can attempt. I want to go in serial order. So first question is, plants are dash in color, and this is a multiple choice question, children. So first, green, yellow, orange, black. I think green is correct answer, so I have clicked on number 1. Once you click on number 1, here you are able to see save and next option is there. Click on save and next. This will take you to second. Don't forget to save and next. If you don't save, then your answer will not be saved and you will not get marks. Please always click on save and next. So second one is fill in the blanks, and for answer 3 boxes are given. So you have to type your answers in the boxes. We eat food. E-A-T, eat. Again I am saying you don't forget to click on save and next. Once you click on save and next, it will take you to third question. Third question is true or false. Apple is red in color. True or false? 2 option is given to you. I think this is correct, so I am clicking on true. Again I am clicking on save and next, children. Don't forget to click on save and next. Save and next. This has taken me to the fourth question, that is match the following. This is very important. Please check how I am doing. I have to match capital letter with small letter. Capital A is there. On the top all capital letters are there. The bottom all small letters are there. Capital A. What I'll do, you see, I am dragging this small a, and I will adjust here. Then I will take small b and I will adjust below small b, below capital B. Then I will take small c and I will adjust below capital C. Then I will take small d and I will adjust below capital B. So this is how I have done my match the following also. Now what I have to do? I have to click on save and next. As I have completed all my 4 questions, there is no 5th question for me. So what I will do? I will click on finish exam. Click on finish exam. Yes. You got, please verify all answers before submitting the exam. So here you are getting one more option to verify your answers. If you want to verify your answers, click on verify. It will again take you to question bank. You check all your answers and again you can submit it back. So I'm confident of all my answers. So I want to submit it. I'm clicking on submit. You have success. To check whether you have successfully completed your exam or not, go in online class again, online exam again. I'll tell you again. If to check whether you have successfully completed your exam or not, click on online exam, go in Chrome, see the exam what you have attempted became green. That means you have successfully completed your exam and your teacher has received your answers also. So let us check results question paper. So this is the question paper. First one multiple choice question, second one fill in the blanks, third one true or false, fourth one match the following, and this were the marks 1 1 1 4. That means it was the question paper of 7 marks what you have attempted. So this is how we have to attempt our online exam in HIS group of schools app. I hope all the steps are clear to you all. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask us. Thank you so much for watching this video.